First important stage when you're applying your peelable wax patch is to stretch the skin so that it's taut and flat for application. Then there's no skin drag and no hair drag. Before I demonstrate the actual peelable wax application, I wanted to demonstrate the correct way to hold the spatula. It's slightly different to how you would hold and apply a strip wax. We're actually going to hold the spatula so that the end of the spatula is up. This way we can navigate around different areas and manipulate the wax into different shapes, holding the spatula this way. So, as I said, we're going to stretch the skin so that it's taut and flat, holding your spatula with the wax in the air, and then we are going to apply the wax, painting over as many times as is possible before the wax sets. This will ensure that the wax can shrink adequately onto the hairs. When you're removing your peelable patch, we need to make sure that there is a stretch directly in front. So just watch how the skin changes. So a firm stretch in front of the end of the patch, and then we're going to press and lift. So we're relying on the sticky tacky end of the spatula to lift the patch. We're going to move our stretch up a little bit closer to the patch and take it halfway. Move your stretch up a little bit further and all the way.